A significant portion of the male population is experiencing problems with their prostate. What if I told you that including these seeds in your diet will make a difference? Let's explore some of the seeds known to help shrink and enlarge prostate and how to include them in your diet. Number 1, pomegranate seeds. The polyphenols in pomegranate seeds have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing inflammation is crucial for prostate health, as chronic inflammation is linked to conditions like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. They also may help regulate hormone levels, particularly testosterone, which is important for prostate health. Pomegranate seeds are one of the richest natural sources of antioxidants, which protect prostate cells from oxidative stress. This is important in preventing DNA damage that can lead to cancer and other prostate issues. Studies have shown that pomegranate extract can inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells. The antioxidants in pomegranate seeds play a key role in this anti-cancer effect. Pomegranate seeds can be enjoyed on their own as a refreshing and healthy snack. They have a sweet and tart flavor that is both satisfying and nutritious. Add pomegranate seeds to salads for a burst of color, flavor, and nutrition. They pair well with leafy greens, nuts, and cheeses. Blend pomegranate seeds into smoothies for an antioxidant-rich drink. They combine well with other fruits like berries, bananas, and citrus. Sprinkle pomegranate seeds over yogurt, oatmeal, or cereal for added texture and sweetness. Use pomegranate seeds in baking, such as in muffins, cakes, or bread, to add a fruity twist. Pomegranate seeds can be used to make sauces, dressings, or glazes for meats and vegetables. They add a unique flavor profile that enhances savory dishes. There is no specific recommended dosage for pomegranate seeds, but incorporating about half a cup to 1 cup of seeds into your daily diet can provide significant health benefits. Number 2, watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds are a good source of zinc. Zinc plays a role in regulating the growth of prostate cells and has been shown to reduce the risk of prostate enlargement, BPH, and prostate cancer. The magnesium and antioxidants in watermelon seeds help reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation has been linked to prostate enlargement and the development of prostate cancer. The antioxidants in watermelon seeds, such as vitamin E, help protect prostate cells from oxidative damage, which can lead to DNA mutations in cancer. The magnesium in watermelon seeds supports overall cellular health and may help in preventing the calcification of the prostate, a condition that can contribute to BPH and prostate issues. Roasted watermelon seeds are a popular and tasty snack. To roast them, spread the seeds on a baking sheet, lightly coat them with oil and salt, or other seasonings, and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are crispy and golden. Sprouting watermelon seeds enhances their nutrient availability and makes them easier to digest. Soak the seeds in water overnight, then drain and rinse them twice a day until they begin to sprout. Ground watermelon seeds can be used as a flour substitute in baking recipes, particularly in gluten-free baking. They add a nutty flavor and extra protein to breads, muffins, and cakes. Add a tablespoon of ground or whole watermelon seeds to your smoothie for a protein and nutrient boost, or sprinkle roasted watermelon seeds on salads, yogurt, or cereal for added crunch and nutrition. There is no specific recommended daily intake for watermelon seeds, but incorporating a small handful, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, into your daily diet can provide significant nutritional benefits. Number 3, coriander seeds. Coriander seeds have strong anti-inflammatory effects, thanks to compounds like linalool and flavonoids. Besides that, coriander seeds have mild diuretic properties, which can help reduce urinary retention and improve urinary flow, common symptoms of BPH. The antioxidants in coriander seeds, such as vitamin C and flavonoids, help protect prostate cells from oxidative damage. Coriander seeds may also help regulate hormone levels, including testosterone, which is important for maintaining prostate health. This hormonal balance can help reduce the risk of prostate enlargement and other related issues. Whole coriander seeds can be used in pickling, braising, and stewing. They add depth to soups, stews, and slow-cooked dishes. Ground coriander can be added to baked goods like breads, cakes, and cookies for a subtle, citrusy flavor. Ground coriander can also be used in salad dressings or sprinkled over salads for added flavor. Toasting coriander seeds before grinding enhances their flavor. Simply dry roast the seeds in a pan over medium heat until they become fragrant. Then grind them to use as a spice. Coriander seeds can be brewed into a tea, often used in traditional medicine to aid digestion and reduce bloating. To make coriander seed tea, crush a teaspoon of seeds, steep them in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, and strain before drinking. There is no specific recommended daily intake for coriander seeds, but using them as a spice in cooking or consuming a small teaspoon of seeds or ground powder daily can provide health benefits. Number 4. Fennel Seeds. The essential oils in fennel seeds, particularly anethole, have strong anti-inflammatory effects. Reducing inflammation is crucial for maintaining prostate health, especially in conditions like BPH and prostatitis. Fennel seeds contain powerful antioxidants, such as vitamin C and various flavonoids, which help protect prostate cells from oxidative stress. Besides that, fennel seeds have phytoestrogenic properties, meaning they contain plant compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. These compounds can help balance hormones, which may support prostate health by regulating the effects of testosterone. Fennel seeds have mild diuretic properties, which can help promote urination and reduce fluid retention. This can be particularly beneficial for men experiencing urinary symptoms associated with BPH, such as frequent or difficult urination. Use fennel seeds to flavor soups, stews, and sauces. They pair well with both savory and sweet dishes, enhancing the flavor of meats, fish, vegetables, and baked goods. Toasting fennel seeds before using them in recipes can enhance their flavor. Simply heat them in a dry pan over medium heat until they become fragrant, then grind or use them whole. Add ground fennel seeds to bread, cakes, or cookies for a subtle licorice flavor. They work particularly well in recipes that include citrus or spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. Fennel seed tea is a popular digestive aid. To make the tea, crush a teaspoon of seeds and steep them in hot water for 10-15 minutes. This tea can also help relieve bloating and indigestion. There is no specific recommended daily intake for fennel seeds, but incorporating a teaspoon or two into your daily diet, whether in cooking or as a tea, can provide health benefits. Before we proceed to the next seed, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 5. Cumin Seeds. The bioactive compounds in cumin seeds have anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Cumin seeds are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and various flavonoids, which help protect prostate cells from oxidative stress and damage. Cumin seeds may help support hormonal balance, which is important for maintaining a healthy prostate. By supporting the endocrine system, cumin seeds may help regulate the effects of hormones like testosterone, which can influence prostate health. Cumin seeds are well known for their ability to aid digestion, reduce bloating, and prevent gas. A healthy digestive system can help prevent inflammation and discomfort that may indirectly affect the prostate. The immune-boosting properties of cumin seeds, due to their high levels of antioxidants and essential vitamins, can help the body fend off infections and maintain overall health, which includes supporting the prostate. Use cumin seeds to flavor soups, stews, and rice dishes. Toasting cumin seeds before grinding them enhances their flavor. Simply heat them in a dry pan over medium heat until they become fragrant. Then grind or use them whole. Sprinkle toasted cumin seeds over salads or incorporate ground cumin into dressings for a warm, spicy kick. Ground cumin can be used in bread, crackers, or even savory cookies, adding a unique flavor to baked goods. Cumin seed tea is a popular digestive aid. To make the tea, boil a teaspoon of seeds in water for about 10 minutes, then strain and drink. This tea can help relieve bloating, indigestion, and gas. There is no specific recommended daily intake for cumin seeds, but using a teaspoon or two in your daily diet, whether in cooking, tea, or as a spice, can provide health benefits. Number 6. Anise Seeds. The essential oils in anise seeds, especially anethole, have strong anti-inflammatory effects. Reducing inflammation is crucial for maintaining prostate health, particularly in conditions like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostatitis. Anise seeds contain antioxidants such as vitamin C, which help protect prostate cells from oxidative stress. Anise seeds have mild estrogenic properties due to their phytoestrogen content, which can help balance hormones. This may support prostate health by regulating the effects of testosterone. Anise seeds have natural antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which can help protect against infections that could potentially affect the prostate or urinary tract. Anise seeds are a key ingredient in various spice blends, particularly those used in baking and dessert making, such as in biscotti, cakes, and cookies. Use anise seeds to flavor soups, stews, and sauces. They pair well with both sweet and savory dishes, enhancing the flavor of meats, vegetables, and seafood. Anise seeds add a distinctive flavor to bread, cakes, and cookies. They are particularly popular in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern baking. Anise seed tea is a popular digestive aid. To make the tea, crush a teaspoon of seeds and steep them in hot water for 10-15 minutes. There is no specific recommended daily intake for anise seeds, but using a teaspoon or two in your daily diet, whether in cooking, tea, or as a spice, can provide health benefits. Number 7. Caraway Seeds. The essential oils in caraway seeds, especially carvone, have anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Caraway seeds contain antioxidants, such as vitamin C and flavonoids. This protection can reduce the risk of prostate cancer and other prostate-related issues. The volatile oils in caraway seeds have natural antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which can help protect against infections that might affect the prostate or urinary tract. Caraway seeds are commonly used in baking, particularly in rye bread and other types of bread, where they add a warm, earthy flavor. They are also used in cakes, pastries, and crackers. Use caraway seeds to flavor soups, stews, and casseroles. They pair well with cabbage, potatoes, and meats, especially pork and lamb. They are a traditional ingredient in dishes like sauerkraut and goulash. Caraway seeds are a key ingredient in various spice blends, such as the North African harissa or the European spice mix for sausages. Caraway seed tea is a popular remedy for digestive issues. To make the tea, crush a teaspoon of seeds and steep them in hot water for 10-15 minutes. This tea can help relieve bloating, indigestion, and gas. There is no specific recommended daily intake for caraway seeds, but incorporating a teaspoon or two into your daily diet, whether in cooking, tea, or as a spice, can provide health benefits. Number 8. Papaya Seeds. Papaya seeds have anti-inflammatory effects due to their content of papain, polyphenols, and flavonoids. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to conditions like BPH and prostatitis. Reducing inflammation can help manage and potentially shrink an enlarged prostate. The antioxidants in papaya seeds, such as polyphenols and flavonoids, help neutralize free radicals, which can cause oxidative damage to prostate cells. Papaya seeds have natural detoxifying effects on the liver and kidneys, which support the elimination of toxins from the body. In addition, their antimicrobial properties may help protect against urinary tract infections, which can impact prostate health. Papaya seeds can be eaten raw, dried, or ground into powder. You can scoop out the seeds from a fresh papaya and eat them directly. They have a peppery taste, so you may want to eat them in small amounts or mix them with fruit or honey. Blend papaya seeds into smoothies for a mild, peppery flavor boost. They pair well with sweet tropical fruits like mango and pineapple. Sprinkle raw or dried papaya seeds over salads as a crunchy, peppery topping. Ground papaya seeds can be used as a substitute for black pepper in savory dishes. Add them to soups, stews, or meat marinades for an extra layer of flavor. While papaya seeds offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to consume them in moderation. A recommended amount is around 1 teaspoon of seeds per day. Share your experience with these seeds in the comments or let us know which seeds you will include in your diet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and for more amazing videos, subscribe to our channel.